What is permutation? Permutation refers to arrangement or different arrangements of given objects. Okay. So when you come across this word permutation, permutation is nothing but arrangements, or we can say different arrangements of given number of objects. So in permutation, order is very important. Okay. So order is important. So why order is important, we'll see through following examples. So if they have given you three letters like A, B and C, and they have asked you to form two word letter or two letter word. Okay. So two letter word from this three letters. Okay. So arrangement will be as follows. So starting with A, we have AB and AC. Similarly, starting with B, we have BA and BC. And starting with C, we have CA and CB. Now as we know that permutation is arrangement and order is important. So in permutation, AB and BA are not equal. They are two different terms, because in this AB and in this BA, at first position we have A and in first position we have B. Similarly, in second position we have B and in second position we have A. So from this we can say that arrangement is different. So AB is not equal to BA. Similarly, AC is not equal to CA and BC is not equal to CB. So we can say that we got total 6 arrangements in this. So total number is 6 in this. So this is nothing but permutation. Now let's see what is combination. So combination refers to selection. Okay. So selection of different objects from a given set is combination. So in combination we have order is immaterial. Okay. So order is not important in combination, or we can say order is immaterial. So we'll see same example. So if they have given you three letters A, B and C and you have to form two letter words in combination. So two letter word. Now in combination you just have to select the letter. Okay. So first will be AB, then BA. Next we'll first write starting with A. So AB and AC. Starting with B, BA and BC. And starting with C, we have CA and CB. Now in this case order is immaterial or order is not important. So AB and BA are one and the same. So in this case AB is equal to BA. Similarly AC is equal to CA and similarly BC is equal to CB. So in total we got 3 combinations. So total is 3. So this is basic difference between permutation and combination. Okay. Hope so this difference is clear to you.